As Raleigh has continued to evolve, let's take a look at how things have changed from above, courtesy of Google Earth. The Triangle Town Center area of Raleigh is somewhere that has seen explosive growth over the years. In 1993, there was no mall, no I-540, and Capitol Boulevard didn't have 10-plus lanes. By 2002, you could see I-540 in the mall under construction. 2014 and today are similar, with the only difference being some more multifamily units in the area. Hopefully, when we look back again 20 years from now, we'll see tons of suburban retrofit in this area. North Hills has transformed from an enclosed mall to a thriving midtown in just a matter of a few decades and shows no signs of slowing down. In recent years, development has continued to push east, and in the coming years may even spread across I-440. Hopefully something can happen with Six Forks in that dangerous 1960s style interchange soon. Fayetteville Street has seen a pedestrian mall and civic center go since the early 1990s. In its place, a few news towers, and a sleepy Main Street that sees more stationary parked cars than anything. Efforts are underway to revitalize the district, and they can't come soon enough. In addition, hopefully the convention center expansion and new towers at the south end will be the needed jolt. The Warehouse District has seen some of the most impactful on-the-ground changes in downtown Raleigh. Hundreds of new units, a food hall, and several towers have reshaped the area for the better. Many more towers and a multimodal hub will keep this area going. Glenwood South has cemented itself as the party district. As more and more mixed-use development has poured into the area, with several towers on the way, the area looks to evolve into a thriving 18-hour neighborhood instead of just that party district. Thank you all for watching. Let me know in the comments what areas you'd like to see looked at next. And as always, thank you for your support, and please make sure you like and subscribe.